Hi, I'm Jason, and this is Level Up Hobbies. This is the channel's first video, and for that I'm going to go ahead and jump right into our project for today. That will be a Warhammer 40k 9th edition Indomitus box opening. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for joining. Alright, here we go. 9th edition Indomitus box. Immediately, it's very well designed box here. Back image of both armies. Looks really good. List of all the models that you get, the instructions, the books, everything there. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's cut this plastic. Get this open. Okay. Nice insert in here. Compared to some of the others I've gotten, this is held up rather well. Doesn't have too many nicks and pokes from the plastic bits. It's got a few, but I think it's still wall worthy. Go ahead and hang that up, maybe. Okay, so we start off here. Looks like we've got our Outriders. Nice sprue figures here. Yeah, these look great. Outriders there. Looks like here's a sprue of assault intercessors. It's a nice looking sprue. A little bit different than the Dark Imperium kits that they had released. Or, well, that came in the Dark Imperium box. At least from my memory. Okay. Right here, it looks like we have the... Is this the lieutenant? Looks like this is the Primaris lieutenant here. And then this one is is that the Skopek Lord? Or? Let's see. So this looks like the Royal Warden. Okay, that's cool. Like that. Set that over here. Okay, right here we've got another double sprue. Half of it is the Primaris Captain, and he looks pretty awesome. I'm really excited for these kits. I played Dark Angels, and so I'm really wanting to do some conversions on this. Probably won't have to do too much, but I've seen some good things online so far. And then this looks like the Necron Overlord. on this one here. He's got his scythe. Yeah, that's the Necron Overlord there. That is a really, really cool model. Had a buddy who played Necrons, and unfortunately, not too long ago, before 9th edition came out, he got rid of them all. And now they have fresh blood for their ranks, if you will. Okay, so this looks like one of the destroyer models here. Maybe 2 of them on this. Those destroyers look cool. Change from the old anti-grav destroyers, but we'll see like how that changes them in the game. Okay, here's another sprue of the assault intercessors. Yeah, these are some really, really cool models, these assault intercessors. I'm very excited for them. I really don't like when kits are very static. You know, their poses are just standing there holding a gun. I don't know, I mean, they're very cool models, the other Primaris, but they are just very static. Okay, so here is a sprue of warriors and some scarabs. So see, there's supposed to be 6 scarabs, so I'm guessing there's 3 of these sprues, maybe. Set that over there. There's a second sprue of Necron warriors. 3 scarabs on this one. Okay, the other one had 3 scarabs on it too, so that's all the scarabs. I guess all the warriors too. It's a lot of warriors on just 2 sprues. Okay, so here we have, who's this? Okay, so this is the Skorpek Lord and that like Sentinel. The Canaptic Reanimator. And then I guess it's also going to have the Crypto Thralls on this one. The Crypto Thrall part of it here. They're part of the Crypto Thrall. Yeah, these are phenomenal models here. I can't wait. Like I said, I play Dark Angels, and then I've also I'm an Orc player, and I also have a Tyranid army. So right here, I'm gonna have the starts to a pretty decent Necron army also. Okay, so this one, this sprue looks like it has the Blade Guard veterans, and these look very, very cool. Here's the Blade Guard Ancient here. It has an awesome standard. Wow, yeah, these are some really, really good looking models. I've seen some stuff where, at least for Dark Angels players, they've painted up the Blade Guard veterans as First Company, so like the Death Guard. So I'm debating on whether or not to, make them Death Guard, or not Death Guard, Deathwing. Debating on whether to make them Deathwing or standard, green, like veterans. I don't know. That's something I'm gonna be debating on in the next few days. Yeah, these look great. And here we have, which one is this? It's not the Judicar. It's the Chaplain, yeah. He looks pretty cool. Not really too fond of his Crozius. It's a change from the previous ones, which is nice. But actually, I really like the last Primaris Chaplain that they released. That one was really cool. And And then here we have the body and stuff for the, here's the Judiciar. Yeah, he is really cool. Wow. Yeah, I am very excited about these kits here. Alright, looks like we've got another insert. Gonna separate. Again, this one, it's got some scraping right here from the sprues. Nothing too serious. The other one's nicer, so maybe I'll get to display that one on my wall. And in here we have an advertisement for the Indomitus book by Gav Thorpe. And looks like here's the instructions and the game itself. Background on the Necrons and the Space Marines. And then character sheets here. All right, yeah, these look awesome. Instructions. We've got here some bases. Some of the larger bases there. On the smaller bases. And then the book. Transfer sheet here. These are some really nice transfers. They've really started putting out some some good decals. It's got my Dark Angels. That's all I need. All right, I'm gonna set this to the side. Wow, this book is big. Oh, nice. It's got a divider, a little cloth divider in it. It's a nice little addition. It's got backgrounds of the different armies. Nice. And then into the rules. Okay. Wow. Yeah, this is a very nice set. I mean, I've seen other videos of unboxing and, you know, just seeing the models online, obviously. But seeing them in person and being able to, you know, actually look at the individual kits here is another story. Like these, it's got some really good detail work on here. We'll have to kind of kit bash some stuff to make these into Raven Wing squadron, but that's not too difficult. Hopefully I'll get that on a video soon for you guys. And these guys, I'm really excited about these Blade Guard veterans. I don't know if I'm gonna go first company or not. have them as part of the Death Wing. I mean, they would look really badass. I don't know. Alright, well, this is a very, very cool set. One thing I don't like about it is that it kind of just seems like there's a lot of wasted space on the sides here. So they probably had to do that to even out the weight because of the book. I don't know, I'm just kind of very conscious about, you know, packaging and how much is wasted, but I mean, it's a very, very nice setup. All the sprues are in here very well. Even from the shipping and everything, there's minimal like wear on the inserts. They all look good. The figures, the sprues, I didn't see anything wrong with those. All right, great. I'm excited. I'm excited to get started on this. Start converting and painting some Space Marines and building my first Necrons. So, all right. Well, I think that's it. Yeah, let's start building.